Greetings, we are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment of the marriage about to be contracted between these couples at the kumontrating a wedding? One, let us continue. Very good. Tatlong kagaduan. Sama kayo, Jerry. Gawang di ima na. Buti mo din baba. Okay. Sige. Marinette, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Oh, Jerry, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Oh, sige nga duwa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed. Nagsaan mo, tatlong mga na tao. Jerry, will you have Marinette to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you shall live? Marinette, will you have Jerry to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health? Sige, alam niya sing-singin, Jerry, and follow after me. Bagam niya baga. Sumurot ka. Oh. Alam niya iba ni Marinette. Oh. Bagam niya baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow. And with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, pag yung sing-singan, kasemet lang, follow after me, bagam niya baga. Ayun. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige. Tata, sumawa kayo ito'y pa lang. Namit tayo. Kinwish yan ka sa...
Good morning. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa, ay magbahalang kayo hanggang kamatayan. Alam ko na mas mabait kayong dalawa. Lalo-lalo na si Jerry, mabait na masipag pa. Kaya, pag may problema, wala tayong dapat asahan kundi ang Panginoon. Thank you po.
Okay, Mike. Tayo, question ka sa
Roxy.
Roxy, yes.
Guardian. Fatherless, motherless na si Jerry. Now, di pag-asawa, sumbrek ipestado, saan nga ang anak. Kas labado, nung nagkupas, sukatan. Iti sumbrek, iti kinaestado, aging nga natipatay, ay ayatin. Iti asawa nga babae, saan nga dus-dusain no nagkamay, ayatin nga ta. Muadda, iti saan nyo nga paginmurnusan, saan nyo nga aramiden, dagiti aram tidak duma nga banbilyo dijay, banbilyo dito. Mapagsaritaan niyo iti nainaya at dapungan na isok ti pangurnusan niyo iti problema. Jadi, iti lalaki, iti pwersa na, iti kamao na. Iti babae, iti ang pwersa naman ng babae, hindi yung kamao, yung bungangan niya. Kaya, walang pagkain. Kaya gawin ninyo yung silensyo, maganda ang pagsasama ninyo, may unan na dapat doon ninyo ayusin kung ano man ang darating na problema. Magmahalan kayo hanggang katapusan. Thank you.
Thank you. It's Mang Kajinikod. Wish kin payo na bigay from the friends and family na natuloy.
Advice.
A wish. Ano wish yun ka?
Wish mo pa.
Stay strong, minsan hipag.
Mayo ka.
stay strong, yun, magmahalan kayo ng totoo. Always, stay loyal. Alam ko naman yan, minsan, makapait. Para, walang pag-aawayan, or kahit ano naman. Magkaintindihan lang, palagi. Ilang. Thank you.
Best wishes.
Next.
Kuya and ate, na may maging sentro si Lord na magkakahalan yung dalawa. Always na nandyan lang si Lord na gumagabay sa inyo sa journey niyo bilang mag-asawa. And kapag may problema, always seek God. Kasi siya lang yung mag-provide lagi ng pangangailangan niya. And best wishes, God bless.
Thank you. Kapal? Meron ako? Makakulit kami yun. Both times. Oh. Marinette, ano naman ang vows mo to your husband to be King Jerry? Ada nang prepare you? Ayun, very good.
Mahal, salamat sa tanggap at saka pagtupad mo isa sa mga pangarap natin yung makasama. Sinusulpa ko sa harap ng lahat ng tao dito na aalagaan mo, mahalin kita habang buhay at poprotect ang tubig mo natin ng mundo.
Oh, Tata Jerry, ano naman vows mo to your wife to be? Kumbaga, from the heart. Sige.
Mahal at sarapan ng mga taong ito, pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita ng ipagsisilbi at alagaan habang buhay. Hindi man tayo perfecto, ay gagawin ko ang lahat para sa ating pamilya. Yun lang po.
O, gamji ka man na Jerry, both hands. Follow after me, Jerry. Bagamji baga. I hereby take you, Marinette,
I give you the waiting
You.
you Marinette,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have to and
To-
to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul, for better or for worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer
or for poorer,
or fuller,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness
in health,
and health,
to love,
to love,
to cherish,
to cherish,
until we be parted by death. Parted by death.
To the parted.
Death. This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay, Seventh Marinette, follow after me. I hereby take you, Jerry,
I hereby take you, Jerry,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of life,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Anyway, God bless you and you may now kiss the bride. Okay. Wala ko haba.
Isang kaya no? Yes.
Wait. Okay, sige. Nagiging witnesses, itong Nina, mag-witness kang pirmada ito yung kango. Nagiging marriage certificate.
Hindi pa pa. Bisa. Bisa na kalabit.
Picture lang. Dito para kita siya. guardians, may na. Okay. Tingnan natin.
Hindi pa sa kasama.
Kami di man ang last week. Yes, okay. O, ninong-ninang.
Sana ninyo.
Parehas na.
Ay, batang ito. Ay, batang proxy. Mga ninong, proxy.
O, friends and family. Friends and family. Yan ang ganyan. Check mo.
Hindi na pwede.